play too.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. In today's special report, the Second Tower of Babel finds itself under stark criticism, as many believe the scientific program led by Dr. Jeff Ernstman has lost control over one of their most valuable creations. In recent weeks, numerous have reported sightings of the artificial angel Barakiel, roaming the streets of Beersheba, unsupervised and alone.
Why did you not do it?
I am sorry, I cannot.
You don't belong there.
You cannot. Are you not an angel?
I do not belong.
You are no human. Your place is in the laboratory.
That's right. You are a mutt, not an angel.
I just want friends.
Friends? You?
But you're a failure. Failures don't deserve friends.
Do you want to leave? And AMGL